Today I'm in Media Lens to meet a young brother who can hook me up with some proper sound, because as you know, it's not Gussie if it doesn't have proper sound, right?
Yeah. I know, but I thought you knew that already. Yeah, another summertime, in the gap still paying. Blind in my mind, over me in my hand. Eyes
sound na kongwe you fa attention. If in attention we bona musi. Lo va ka yona ona ka bucheri tlo ba simple. Yeah.
Usually like Alexander shibayithanda vibe, especially moto esifaka ipeak abona esiduma esikumbazayo. Yeah, so they like sound ebonakalayo.
There are some people they are not in favor ya sound, and there are people they are in favor ya sound. So hana no ka chebisisa batho ba bangata bana le dikoloi ntwe le re ba batla first thing ke sound in the car, because ho tletse menate, people they think are without sound a gona monate.
That is how we live it. Bring it on, bring it on.
I'm speaking to Bratumza, who is the sound man and the owner of TNT Car Sound. Bratumza. I'm going to call it Popeye. I know TNT Rahori Dynamite, or is that why you named it TNT?
Who can name it TNT? It's an illegal attack memory and can't do anything. Yeah, then come out decide on why the side very kids and Chaka and find it.
Alright.
England's a million more jacket and by a spirit sound.
So get tribute.
Yeah.
So what attracted you to sound?
As I was in the claim to one of my hot man, little diplomat from Kaimokasa. Then come to long for Natila Velekata sound. Then Kakala Lehore, Kakalo Ploma Lebone. I want to patient along for Yakala towards one.
So, okay, let's see for sound or
no.
Ubonekabo.
Like a Bonica and a hot man, they can motor along for one Kisakote.
Alright. So, how long have you had this company?
It's been 6 now.
6 years?
Yeah.
Hemon. Una le clientele.
Yeah, apply.
On it is a tip. That is how we live it. Bring it on, anything with the pen. It's a good day.
I'm speaking to Martin, who's one of Tumi's many customers, and he's going to have his sound installed. Martin, why would you tune sound how?
I'll take a black empowerment. Number one.
You are black and proud.
Yeah. And then number 2, I'll change to a sponsor.
Okay.
Make no mistake.
And then you don't tune motor in your house.
Ke shebile kinya di sap nyana tse 12 inch monoblock nyana 3 watts, 3000 watts le amp nyana tse pushang di 6.9.
Yo,
I know what I want, but connection it's it.
What was the sound motor in your house? Give for my cherry or for Spani or about your party?
I travel a lot, and then young tusa, and I want to travel like you.
Or
and then stay awake in Tungana Tajalo, but I cherry man. I don't know.
Bring it on, anything with the pen. It's a good day.
But you must Babata in Grand Shop, do they want noise or Babata into it?
But what like different? What's different?
Oh,
When I buy long about Alagata, until like Kotswana Lene.
Lin Valley, what
until Honalo Kai Kikiri tea like designing.
Okay. And what do
yeah,
I think sound is important to us, especially black people. We have a culture, we were born and brought up in an environment where music has been playing a very important role in our lives. You get to shut down from all the problems that you have, all the hectic lifestyle that you have, and you just enjoy your drive while you're listening to the music.
I believe sound in a car like this, where I drive a lot and I enjoy freeway driving, it forms a lot of entertainment. When I'm not listening to the motor, then I need to hear my music and enjoy it. Hear those beats that are there in the background.
The sound in my car, the highlight would be the name. For people that are probably sound enthusiasts, would be the name, the brand. The Harman Kardon. It's got power. I love music. So my day is always started with music. So the minute I start up my car, I need to make sure I've got the right CD and I'm ready to go.
Currently, I've got a basic sound. I'm running Pioneer coaxials in the doors, running Pioneer super tweeters, or running off a Targa 4-channel M, and I got a little 12-inch there of a sealed box. Well, this is changing the future, but for now it's doing me all right. Yeah.
So why you choose to set up Mokasi instead of go ya ko toropong or go ya ko the city?
There are many people who they can't afford price ya go juice. Then I decided to what's again why next first kena le matla a go the thing ilong go buy batla e le go ke sa iqale Mokasi.
Yeah, sure.
And ile ya bereka because of ba buy ona lo la go isa ke le Forsberg maybe ke alarm anjola ba mplele ka 1008 anjola u fitla yimo nna ke mchaila nga 8 anjola.
Okay.
Yeah.
My brother, I know all the best for your future endeavors.
Yeah, Jack.
I appreciate gore u tuna sponsor Mokasi wa elevator. You're making Kasi look good and sound even better. I want riding. So all the best, Kimsa.
Sure, go loud or go out.
Hey, Taraso. It's no secret that I really love music, and automatically that means I love sound, which makes this particular installment of Kasi Cars very special for me. What should be an inspiration to all of you is that Tumi did not go to school for this. Don't get me wrong, education is key. But he found a passion for sound, he found somebody who he can learn from, he learned, and now he has his own company. Let there be a lesson that nothing can hold you back from your passions. This has been another installment of Kasi Cars. Go loud or go out.